Tokidos!
We all love the Jungle Book. Jungle Jam is a music game where kids 5 to 8 develop their rhythm skills with songs that tell the story of the Jungle Book. This is how it works.
Welcome to Jungle Jam.
The game has 8 songs. You choose the one you want to play. You then choose the level of difficulty, easy, medium, or hard. I'm gonna choose the Baloo song.
Your life, kid. I'm Baloo the bear.
I'm gonna choose the medium game.
Listen carefully to the beat of the song.
Hey, yo, kiddo. Nice to see you making moves in this jungle.
As the song plays, I have to hit the correct cube when the dot reaches the bottom of the mouse cube. Each color is associated with a cube, and I get real-time feedback based on my inputs. When I finish the song, I'll get a score of 1, 2, or 3 stars. This game is a great way to develop coordination and rhythm skills, which are essential for learning how to play an instrument. And you can simply listen to the music if you don't feel like playing the game.